We're gonna vlog. Hi guys, we're here in the forest.
It's at Bowmanville.
We're at Bowmanville.
Bowmanville.
We are going to fish some salmon.
Anything?
We're gonna see if they're here. See, this is na negrong kamangyan. Oo din siya, akala naman nakalayo.
Let's go.
No? No fish?
There, go there.
Okay, there's no fish.
Come on, now.
Come on,
Stop
babe.
here.
No, with the word.
We're gonna go.
Can I ice my hand? No.
Oh, sorry, baby. Come. I'm gonna save you. You're drowning. Oh. You good? Okay.
Yeah. Oh, so go to the end here.
Okay, there's no fish, guys. We're
Not
going
yet.
home.
Fine.
Itim-itim yun ang dalawa, kaka-fishing.
Do it on Facebook. Ma, do it on Facebook.
Huh?
Do it on Facebook so you get real viewers. Please, Ma.
How to flip it?
You can't. You have to turn the phone around.
Salmon, mga kamangyan. Hmm?
It's okay, I'll get it.
Go back on your face. Go back on your face. Little poke.
Beautiful view, mga kamangyan. Look at that, full of trees. That's a tree. It's so nice to do picnics here.
Go on your face.
Careful. Diba, ang ganda. Ilang nagtitipid.
Oh, you swam in.
No, stay there. It's right there.
Mangyan, sila ay nakakita na ng isda.
I see it.
No, I don't see it, no.
Ang underwear ni Kamangyan na kulay pula.
You bring it, Ray?
It's not there.
You bring it?
So red na red.
Huh?
It's in there. He went there.
May nakita silang salmon na hindi ko nakikita ng aking
Oh,
dalawang
see?
mata.
Look.
His head is peeking.
Where is it?
Where is it now?
His head is peeking right there.
Nasaan ang isda?
Not here. Go there. Here.
His head's peeking right there.
Baka naman namamalikmata lang kayo.
No.
Wala akong makita.
Still see there now?
Not anymore. I see a baby bluegill. Dad.
Wala eh. Wala akong makita.
Nasa ilalim ng puno. Kanina nandito, ano eh.
Malaki ba?
Yeah. Asa nak? Yeah, bulabugin ko rin.
Ay, ay, ay.
Only